make sure that we create a safe space in which they can trust. The thing to remember for those of you who've not done much work around trauma is to remember this, right? It's a key message really, and that is, if you have been abused in an interpersonal relationship where someone perfectly loves you and is there to take care of you and protect you, it hijacks the attachment system. To the extent that relationships that should be safe places actually become places of fear and terror. And that includes the therapeutic relationship. We may think we're safe, of course we are, etc. The client doesn't know that. So we have to be really mindful that they have a very different view of relationships to what somebody who hasn't been traumatized in this way does. And we constantly need to work on that to ensure that they feel safe enough to engage. Otherwise, they feel re-traumatized.